Have you ever wondered how businesses grow online? That's where digital marketing comes in. Digital marketing is the art and science of promoting products or services through digital platforms. Whether it's through search engines, social media, email, or content marketing, it's the key to reaching your customers where they spend most of their time online. With the ever-growing demand for skilled digital marketers, there's never been a better time to upskill. And that's exactly where Aryabhatt Classes can help. Our advanced digital marketing course gives you everything you need to succeed. Get hands-on with 50+ live projects and dive deep into 100 hours of interactive learning guided by industry experts. You'll cover in-demand modules like SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, content marketing, social media, marketing email, marketing data, analytics and reporting. Plus, enjoy 100% placement assistance to help you land that perfect role. With access to over 20+ digital marketing tools that professionals use every day. And it's all available now at an exclusive offer of just 11,999 rupees, a huge discount from the original price of 24,999 rupees. But hurry! The offer is valid only until Monday, so why wait? Call us for more information. Land your dream job with Aryabhatt Classes.